So this time we have to find out reduction formula for integration of ln x power n. You know that we have solved this question without n, means integration of ln x. We have taken help of integration by parts. So here also we will take help of integration by parts. So this is in is equal to integration of, over there we have taken 1 into ln x power n dx. Now, so we will take, you know that the integration and differentiation of 1 both are easy, but integration of ln x power n is very complicated. Its differentiation is okay. So we will take this function as first function. Because its differentiation is easy, we will consider this as second function. Now let's apply UV rule. So first function, integration of second function minus whole integration differentiation of the first function into integration of second function. Okay, so look at this. Can I write what is the integration of 1? It is x. So x times ln x power n minus, what is the differentiation of ln x? It is n times ln x power n minus 1 into 1 by x. And what is the integration of 1 dx? It is x and whole dx. So this thing gone. So can I write x times ln x whole power n minus n times integration of ln, wait, ln x power n minus 1 dx. So now write down the direct last part, x ln x power n minus n times I of n minus 1. Done. Okay, so this is the reduction formula associated with integration of ln x power n. I hope the idea is clear, and now you guys can handle these kind of situations very smartly. Okay.